Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to know who created the database and who dropped the database as well. So by default, these events are not recorded in the SQL Server error log. However, we can see this information in reports, standard reports, okay, schema, changes history. If you see here, these information will be stored only for 24 only for some limited hours. Okay, so once the new events will occur, it will the old changes will get flushed out, so there will be no permanent record in this history. Okay, so I will for this purpose. Okay, just wait. So by default it is still loading. So we have these many issues. So for that reason, I am closing this window. I am creating a manual solution for this. So I am creating a table with columns event ID, type, database name, event type, and event user. In this table, these events are going to record. Click execute. So I am going to create a trigger which record all the database drops and database creates. Select all this and click execute. I am creating all this in the master database. See, if you see here currently, I am not having any um, events. Why? Because I have not yet done after creation of trigger. So we have limitations as well. So once the database is created, if I do go for rename, so it is not going to record. If you restore that, so it is also not going to. It is only work for manually who created the database by using create database command and who dropped the database. Okay, so let's see that in the practically. Right click on the database. So right click on this new database, type Arsha. Okay, now I'm going to drop the FF database here. Click. Now I have created one database, one drop database. Let's see the whether it is recorded or not. Click execute. See here, I have first I have created the database with the name Arsha at the time of this. Okay. Oh, what is the user? Lenovo. So if I do the same by testing user, let's see that I'm going to remove this SS by using test user. Okay, let's select command and see. See, the database SS database was dropped by the testing user. So this is how we can maintain the log about the create and drop events of the databases. Okay, so for example, if you don't want to, why? Because triggers will create show performance impact and you want to drop the database, you can use this command drop trigger drop changes. Okay, we have removed the trigger and after that we can also use drop table log table. So I am reviewing the table as well. So this is how you can clean up your lab as well. I'm going to provide all these T-SQL commands in the description box. You just implement in your test environment and based on your observations, you can use this code in your production as per your convenience. I hope you may like this video. Thank you.